Hey everyone, so we are in lesson 21. We are in our entrance lips, module 4, topic F, and oh my, at the end here. All right, let's get there. It means last page. Here we go. All right. This is a question I like to keep in here, even though it has absolutely no relevancy to today's world. You know how bad it was back in the day. I'm sure parents asked in the beginning of cell phones, that kind of stuff. They remember about it. So we got a company here called Crystal Clear Cell Phone Company. They charge $5 per month for service. And then they also charge 10 cents for each text message. Yes, people, you used to get charged for each individual text message. All right. There was even a time when they would set up plans that you would get like 150 messages a month, or maybe you got the big 500 text messages a month that's there. Yeah, think about what you do now. All right. The unlimited anyway. So ask your parents about it there. Okay, so the money is $5 per month, and then it's also 10 cents for each text message. So if you don't send any text messages, you don't get charged for it, but you do get charged for that $5 for the service. So we're gonna sneak a 5 in there right away. Because again, 0 text messages, but again, it is $5 for it. So now what if you send 10 text messages? Well, okay, remember, you do have to pay the $5 each month. And then on top of that, we're going to combine it. It's the 10 cents for each message. So 10 cents and there's 10 messages. Okay, well, this is that repeat addition. It would be 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. Okay, listen, we're not doing that. Repeat addition is the same as multiplication. So we're going to take that 10 cents and multiply it by the 10. All right, so if we go ahead and we multiply, that'll get us $1. If we add it together, hey, we're gonna get a total of $6. What if there's 20 of them? Well, okay, we're still getting paid. We still got to pay the $5 and then 10 cents for each match. So if we notice here, we can't really rely on what's happening in the above numbers. We just can't be like, let's repeat addition. We do need to treat each individual situation as they arise here. So that'll give me $2. So if I add it on, 5 plus 2 gives me 7. Now, we could find some patterns here like, wow, we're going up $1 each time. Okay, check out your text messages. Is there a pattern there? We're going up 10 each time. Yes. So if you wanted to gamble here, if you want to make that guess, what do we think it's going to be? Yeah, we think it's going to be 8. Again, and that's only because there's a pattern over here. And that's the key thing is if there's a pattern on this left side, then we will see a pattern on our right side. So the 5 plus the 10 cents times the 30 of them. Yeah, 30 times 10 cents. There's your $3. And there we go. So what's the expression? Well, what are we doing each time? Well, each time you can see it was always 5 plus. And then I was always multiplying the 10 cents times what? Well, it was 30, it was 20 times. What are those things? Oh, it was the text messages. They tell me right up here to use the letter T for it. So there we go. There's our expression. All right. If they're asking us here, if her budget is $10, how many text messages can she send in 1 month? So I think this is where using the pattern is going to kind of help you out here a little bit. 10, 20, 30. Well, if we were at 40, all right, and then we could get to 50. So we're at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So which means, oh, it is 50 text messages we can see there. So using a pattern is definitely going to kind of help us out here. Now, what if they give us something that's completely ridiculous? Like, what if they say the budget limit is $37.18? Okay, well, that's where we get into this thing called solving equations. You're not there yet. Later on, we'll be there. That's kind of end of the year 6th grade thing, beginning of the year 7th grade thing that's going on. So right now, we're just asking you to be able to use the table, use a little bit of guess and check as well, and then kind of use your expression. So, all right, everyone, enjoy.